Hello everyone, welcome to my channel UiPath RPS School. In this video I am going to explain you what is a datetime variable and how to create this datetime variable and how to assign value to this datetime variable and how to select the variable type, and I am going to display the current date in output. So what is datetime variable is it is a type of variable that enables you to store information about any date and time. So let's get start with adding assign activity into our designer panel, and I'm going to create a variable using shortcut Ctrl K, and I will name it as datetime var. So I'm going to assign this value with a method now, so it is going to display as a current value, current date, and I'm going to change its variable type to date time. So in this variable type I am going to select the date time variable. So click on this drop down and browse for types. So type here system dot date time. So under this Microsoft Common Object Library runtime library you can see this system, and under this system you need to select this date time. Okay, so then click on OK. The type is selected as system.datetime. So this is how to select this variable type for a datetime variable, and so it is going to display the current date and time. So let me use message box activity to display the outcome, and I will just pass the variable name datetime var dot toString. So let me run this process and look at the outcome. So it is displaying the current system date in 24 hours format with the date 8th and 1st 2021. So it is in DD and YY pattern. So I will show you one more predefined method to display only date. It is to short date string. So I am going to select this to short date string, and let me run the process. So now it is displaying only date which is in YY format, and to display only time I can just change this to short time string. Hit on Control space, it will suggest you with the predefined methods, and let me run this process and look at the outcome. So now it is displaying only time in 24 hours format. And next I will show you one more method which is to long date string. Variable dot to long date string. So it will display the date with the week. Let me run this process. Now you can see in the message box it is displaying the week also, Sunday 1st August 2021. So okay, and let me show you one more predefined method which is to long time string. Hit on Control space, then hit on enter, and let me run the process. So this is in 24 hours format, hours, minutes and seconds, and variable name dot to local time. So it will display the time based on the time zone. So date and time. So this is how to use this datetime variable. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.